Smart car, El Paso.
So this is my diamond aircraft, the DA-20. It's a composite construction, meaning it's made mostly of fiberglass, and it has a 100 horsepower engine on it. The airplane can actually fly at 120 knots, which is roughly twice the speed of your average car on the freeway. And this is the reason why I flew down to El Paso. We couldn't find a smart car here in Albuquerque. We use smart cars for our employees with one of our businesses. They're economical, they're small, they're great, and actually pretty reliable. And so we found one reasonably priced in El Paso, low mileage and a decent price. So rather than drive for 4 hours, I figured I would just fly both of us down there, myself and Tino, our employee, who is familiar with the smart car, and have him drive it all the way back to Albuquerque. I would thus save half a day for me and a couple of hours for Tino. So Tino and I just left Albuquerque. We just took off and we're headed southbound. The airport that we use in Albuquerque is actually called Double Eagle 2 Airport and goes by the abbreviation Alpha Echo Golf. We're now headed southbound towards our first waypoint, which is Truth or Consequences, which is a town by that name here in New Mexico. I know. And then we'll make a slight left turn towards El Paso and the airport where we're landing, which is near the border with Mexico, which is called Donna Ana County Airport. During our flight, we'll be cruising at a speed of about 120 knots. We actually ended up doing almost 140 knots ground speed because of a tailwind. And we were flying at 8,500 feet, which was just about the top of the haze from the forest fires in Colorado and wherever that smoke's coming from. So I've just landed in Donna Ana County Regional Airport with Tino. We meet with the seller. We get the paperwork done after inspecting the vehicle, which has a few dents and scratches, but globally that's okay. We had already negotiated the price to something acceptable in that case. And now I'll just depart and go back to Albuquerque.
Oh shit. Let's do this. Where are the keys? Here they are. This is where you're supposed to put them. Supposed to hang it.
Oh, well. That thing's